The temperature is starting to drop, which means more people will be using their space heaters or fireplaces. Tonight, 22 News is working for you with a reminder about how to protect your home and your family this year.
They should be in every home, but do all of them work?
Definitely, all three levels. We have upstairs, downstairs, and a basement apartment. So all three levels have the alarms.
Chicopee's Deborah Roberts says she checks and rechecks her smoke alarms every year. Massachusetts law requires all homes have a smoke detector on every level of the house. And experts say now's the time to give them some attention before the weather gets colder.
You just want to make sure that you're checking them, making sure that the battery connections are good on them. If it's hardwired, making sure that your electrical connections are all set. This is the perfect time of year to do it.
Fire safety experts say many people have owned their homes for 20, even 30 years and have had the same detector the whole time. What you may not realize is those detectors have a shelf life. Manufacturers recommend replacing your detector after 10 years. Checking the battery is one thing. Not everyone can remember when they actually replaced their detector.
Oh, I can't tell you that. I don't know.
More than 10 years?
Probably.
And it is also important that you're using the right type of detector. A detector within 20 feet of your bathroom or in your kitchen should be a photoelectric detector that won't easily be tripped by steam.